psychological problems in visually impaired children, adults, and old age people is very common because the visually impaired children and other population of this impairment will have some psychological problems compared to other population. These include they will have anxiety. In anxiety, they will have mostly this fear of social isolation and agoraphobia, some selective mutism, panic disorders, and social anxiety disorders will be more predominant in this population. Along with anxiety disorders, these people are prone to get depression, especially they will get sadness, inferiority complex, and they will have the ideas of worthlessness and feeling of little energy. Some of the visually impaired will have the suicidal ideas, some will attempt also, and some other psychological problems in visually impaired, they will have some kind of hallucinations. These hallucinations mostly like a flashes of light, sometimes systematic hallucinations will also present in them. These will have sometimes guilt, inferiority complex also. They will have some decreased academic performance and lower self-esteem will be there. If anybody is suffering with this problem, they have to meet the psychiatrist to reduce this at an early stage so that it prevents them from becoming more and more disabled with mental problems. Yeah, and what we have to do to prevent or reduce these psychological problems in visually impaired people. First of all, we have to give them a social support. Family support should be there. We have to encourage friendship among them, and majority of the parents, they will restrict their mobility because of any injuries and any fears. But the studies says that independence in mobility makes them reduce the psychological problem and boosts their confidence levels. And the early intervention saves them from low confidence levels. Along with this, some of the visually impaired will have some serious comorbidities, like example, in elderly, the aging problem as well as visually impaired problem makes them more socially isolated. So the encouragement to them and making them happy and giving moral support and talking with them and knowing about their problems will help them to come out of anxiety as well as depression. Especially most of the visual people with visual impairment, the female gender will have more problems compared with male gender. So we have to give some motivation and encouragement, and we have to boost their confidence levels. And today is the birthday of uh, Braille. He's developed a vital medium of communication for blind and partially sighted individuals. We have to um, use this for the education of visually impaired children so that they can communicate with at least with their community and with the others, and this will help them in giving and boosting the confidence levels and improve their quality of life. Thank you.